We're excited to show you our new top-tier lithium offering that's going to be available in some of our campers. It's based off of REDARC componentry. Basically, three main components. The first is the REDARC Manager 30, which is your battery monitoring and charging. It basically combines three components into one, that being a truck charger, solar charger, as well as a shore power converter. And it'll monitor all those inputs to your battery and show you the percentage. The second, which is pretty cool, newly released to the market, is the TVMS Rogue, which is a smart switching device. So it'll basically integrate all the lights and accessories of the camper into the existing REDARC system. And then what ties it all together is this RedVision display that'll allow you to monitor all your battery information, see where you're getting charged from, lets you control all your lights, and also lets you see your freshwater tank levels. And on top of that, you can control your lights from this screen as well as the existing switches or your phone. Really excited about this. It's going to add a lot of functionality to the campers. Excited for you guys to see it.